Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 1. A nation exports agricultural produce mainly to A. Provide food, B. Create employment, C. Earn foreign exchange, D. Provide raw materials. So I asked for the major reason for exportation of agricultural produce. So why does a country or a nation choose to export agricultural produce? Now option A says provide food. Well, provision of food is the main reason why a country will choose to grow agricultural produce. But in terms of exporting it, provision of food for or to whatever country they're exporting it is not considered a major reason why a country will choose to provide or to export agricultural produce. So option A, provide food, is not the answer. Now option B says create employment. Now similar to provision of food, creation of employment cannot be considered a major reason as well, because creation of employment isn't the reason why, or can't be said to be the main reason why a country is choosing to export its produce to the other country. So option B, create employment, is not the answer. Now option C says earn foreign exchange. Now earning of foreign exchange is the major reason why a country will choose to export agricultural produce, because exportation offers people or firms, including the entire country, more markets for their goods. So for this reason, it enables them to earn foreign exchange, and this also enhances the economy of that country. So option C, earn foreign exchange, is the correct answer. And option D says provide raw materials, and provision of raw materials is not a major reason why a country will choose to export agricultural produce. So as we have established, option C, earn foreign exchange, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.